Good evening, students. Welcome in pharmacognosy practical. Today I will start the experiment number 13. Okay, and title of today's practical is to study morphological and microscopical characteristics of the senna leaf. Okay, in that prior concept, section cutting technique, then staining, mounting, and observation of transverse section of the senna leaf. Okay, this section cutting technique, then staining, mounting, and observation of transverse section of senna. These we have already discussed in previous practical. Okay, the new concept: proposition first, morphological character; proposition second, microscopical characters; and proposition third, adulterants. Now see, the first is a proposition first, morphological characters. In that it includes the organoleptic characters and extra features. Then proposition second, microscopical characters, and proposition third. In that microscopical characters, it includes the observation of important tissue components of transverse section of the senna leaf. Then proposition third is the adulterants. It is the debasement of the genuine crude drug which proved harmful. Okay. Then next is the learning objectives. In that first is the intellectual skill and motor skill. In intellectual skill, ability to interpret the tissue component, and in motor skill, first is ability to prepare thin transverse section of the senna leaf, and second is the to handle and observe instrument and crude drug correctly. Then third is the labeling different component of the cells. Okay, these are the learning objectives. Then in requirements, apparatus. In that first is a microscope, then watch glass, camel heel brush, glass slides, cover slips, beaker, dropper, filter paper, forceps, tissue test tube holder, tripod stand, wire gauge, dissecting needles, sharp razor, etc. Then chemicals: fluoroglycerol, concentrated HCl, ruthenium red, glycerin, Sudan red third, etc. Then crude drugs is the senna leaf. Then here are the diagram of the senna leaf and leaflets. Okay. Then here are the TS, transverse section of the senna leaf. In that upper epidermis and lower epidermis are present in the TS of senna leaf. Then covering trichomes also present in the TS of senna leaf. Then crystalline sheath, midribs, then sclerenchymatous sheath, spongy parenchyma, then spharophytes, palisade layers, then phloem, xylem, and lower epidermis are present in the TS of senna leaf. Okay. Then stepwise procedure. Synonym of senna leaf is in Marathi Sonmukhi, then in Hindi Sonmukhi, and Sanskriti in the Swarnamukhi. Then biological source of senna leaf is it consists of dried leaflets of the Cassia angustifolia wall, then belonging to the family Leguminosae, and contains not less than the 2% of glycosides calculated as sinucide B. Then macroscopy, organoleptic characters, color, odor, taste, and extra features and surface. In that first is the color. Color of senna leaf is the yellowish green. Odor of senna is the slight. Then taste of the senna is the mucilaginous, slightly bitter. Then extra features isobilateral, thin, pubescent or hairy, then with trichomes on both surface. Then microscopy of senna. First is the lamina. Lamina are the isobilateral nature. Then upper epidermis are single layered, polygonal, straight, anticlinical walls. Few cells contains mucilage. Epidermis is covered with cuticles. Okay, here are the color diagram of the senna. Then in that the mesophiles, upper palisades is the single layered, elongated, compactly arranged, narrow, thin wall parenchyma continued over midrib region. Then spongy parenchyma, thin wall, loosely arranged, largely intracellular species. Then spharophytes presents. Then lower palisades only in the lamina, loosely arranged wavy walls, cells smaller than upper palisades. Then midrib. Palisade parenchyma are the single layered crystal sheath are the parenchymatous layer containing calcium oxalate prism, then present at dorsal and ventral sides. Then sclerenchymatous sheath are elongated thick wall cells covering the vascular bundles. Then vascular bundles in that xylem and phloem are present. Xylem are the lignified cells present at ventral surface and phloem are non-lignified cells present at the dorsal surface. Then collenchyma. These are the multilayered thick wall parenchyma containing cellulose present only at ventral side. Then lower epidermis. Similar to upper epidermis, trichomes are conical unicellular thick wall covering trichomes. Then stomata are the parasitic types or rubaceous. Then chemical constituents of senna: anthraquinone glycoside, cinoside A, cinoside B, cinoside C, and cinoside D. Use of senna is the irritant, purgative. Allied drugs, first is the Arabian, Bombay, and Mecasenna, that is wild Cassia angustifolia. Then dog senna is the Cassia obovata. Then argel leaves, that is the Solanastema argal farm, and is the Asclepiadaceae. Then marketed preparations is the compound licorice powder IP. Then procedure: clean the platform and issue the apparatus. Then issue the sample of crude drugs. Then preparation of sample for sectioning. Then boil the sample, section, cut, and transfer the section into watch glass containing water. Then staining process: take a clean watch glass and add a staining solution to it. Then with the help of brush, transfer the section taken from the watch glass containing water to stain solution and keep it for 2 to 3 minutes. Then transfer it to watch glass containing plain water so that excess stain is washed away. This section is ready for the mounting. Then mounting process is to transfer the section to be mounted on the glass slides with the help of brush. Then add 1 to 2 drops of the water on the section with a dropper. Then place a clean cover slip over the section with the help of forceps and needle. Then with the help of blotting paper, wipe the excess of the water present outside the cover slip. The slide is ready for the observation. Then last is the observation. Select a place in the laboratory for microscope where sufficient light is available. Then set the microscope in such a way that the C arm towards to you and objective and mirror facing the light. Then open the diaphragm completely with the help of substage mirror. Adjust the position so that the field of view is sufficiently illuminated. Then place the slides prepared on the stage of microscope at the center with the section placed exactly in the light line with the stage window lying above the condenser. Fix the slide between the clip. Now the slide can be moved forward, backward, or sideways above the stage with the help of 2 screws provided on the mechanical stage. Take observation. Staining. First is the TS with chloroglycinol with concentrated HCl and ratio is the 1:1 and shows the red pink color. Then lignified tissue, xylem and sclerenchyma. Then in second diagram, TS with ruthenium red, it shows the pink and red color. Then mucilaginous cell of the epidermis. Then third is the TS with the Sudan red and pink color. Then cuticles are present. Then here are the observation table. First is the observation table for macroscopy. In that first is the test and observation. Test are the color, odor test and extra features surface. Then second table for the observation for the staining. Conclusion is that the given sample of crude drug is found to be senna leaf. Then last is the here are the important questions related to this experiment. Now I will stop here. Thank you.